In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find saved reels on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. And then let's save a reel. We can go to Reels, and then if we want to save some reel, we can tap at three dots and then tap at Save Reel. So how we can find those reels? All you have to do, guys, is just go to your profile, and then just under your bio it will show you reels. If we tap on it, we'll be able to choose saved, and then we'll be taken to all our saved content, including saved reels, saved audio, and the saved effect. And then right here we can find the reel we have just saved and all the reels we have saved before. That's how you can easily find saved reels on Facebook.